Another day, another Premier DD taxi. 谢谢. This is one of the many local convenience stores here in Guangzhou. We've got watermelon bread if that tickles your fancy. We've got Chinese Snickers. Lovely. We're here today at Dongshankou. It's one of the busier districts of Guangzhou. There's a lot of nice shops here that the locals come to. We thought we'd come here, check it out. You can see there's local street food here. Looks very nice and appealing. Hi, ni hao. Very nice, friendly people. Ni hao. Yeah, let's check it out. Let's get it. So this is just a bakery on one of the streets in Dongshankou. The decor is absolutely stunning. Everything is quite clearly fresh. Look at the croissants, look at the pearls on that. Honey glazed croissants, all made in-house, fresh. Lovely. Check these out, little mini sandwiches. And they're only £2. Very affordable. Check these cakes out. They're about £9 a cake. Over here, they're dotted around throughout the city. Every single one is done up to a really high standard. Waxing. That's it, payment done. Thank you. Over here, we've got a local boba shop. We've got a gears and reversing gears mobility scooter. Good. This is the local coffee joints. They're dotted all around China. Let's get a cappuccino to go. And right next to your local coffee shop, you've got chickens for sale. And what looks like duck? I'm not sure, man. Right next to that, you have a convenience store by the looks of it. Hi, ni hao. Yeah, it's just a massive shopping district. All your needs, all under one roof. Let's get a coffee. Hi, ni hao.
Ni hao.
Can I get one cappuccino?
Cappuccino.
Yes, please.
Pay cash or Alipay?
Alipay. Well, waxing, whatever it's called.
19.
Oh, you want me to scan yours?
Your WeChat, right?
Oh yes, WeChat. Okay.
19.
谢谢. So what just happened there was these local coffee shops, they've got their own like sort of apps where locals will download the app, order their coffee. They don't even need to come to the counter. Once they've ordered, they'll get a notification on their phone once it's ready for collection. But what I found is every time I've got coffee from here, what they'll do is the chap at the counter will just use his own app, and then I'll just pay him the money directly and he'll pay on my behalf. Very, very kind of him to do that. Other places I've been to outside of China, they just get very funny about it and they'll just force you to download the app. These guys very friendly, helpful and understanding. So yeah, let's wait for our cappuccino. Hi, ni hao. 谢谢, thank you very much. This is the local KFC. Let's get some chips from here to go. Pretty much the only vegetarian option they've got. Hi, can I get one chips? Potatoes, chips. This one. Big. And you have ice cream. One vanilla. Boom. I think that's done it. Check the packaging out. Proper high quality. 谢谢. I've just realised that I don't think I paid that chap for the coffee because I scanned his code, but I didn't input the amount. Hi, ni hao. I don't think I paid him. I don't think I paid you. I don't think I paid you your money. I scanned your barcode, but I didn't put the money in. Okay. Scan. Okay, I'll do that now. Thank you. 谢谢. Wow, check that out. That looks quality. 谢谢. Look at that. That is what you call an ice cream. Oh no, there was no seating available. This geezer here the one that's standing up. He let me sit down where his seat was just opposite him, and as I was sitting down, he dropped his Boba Ice-cream. So I'm going to order another one for him. And this geezer here, he's helping me translate to order that ice cream. Sure. Thank you. And he got my tissue as well. Yes, pay.
Pay money?
Pay money, yes.
Alipay, WeChat?
Yeah, WeChat. So let's get him another ice cream, because technically that was my fault. You go. Yeah. No. It's yours. It's yours.
不要这么客气好吧？太客气了，不行。
谢谢。
我这个还有啊，我这里还有啊，还没吃完呢。没事，这个有。Thank you.
Cheers.
Yes.
Cheers. My guy. Nice. Oh, he just took my phone. I think he's putting his number in there. Okay.
那你看，等一下啊，等我打开，我还没打开，打过来，这个打过来啊，这样打过来。我可以。
Aha. I think we've got it now. Boom. That's how you make friends in China. 谢谢.
Thank you.
谢谢.
Thank you.
See you later. Bye bye. This is cool, man. I'm liking this. Nice shops here. Some really nice high quality clothing. Check it out. Hi, ni hao. How much is this? $1190.
Yes.
Okay. It's about £100 for that. Again, got another coffee shop just here. We've got another boutique shop here. And you got apartments just on top. You've got tentacles surrounding the shop. Hi, ni hao. Check it out, man. Got some cool jewelry here. Nice jewelry. Okay to record?
Okay, can
Sure.
you record? Hello, baby. Where are you from?
Check these tentacles out, man. Cheers. 30 quid. Oh, that's nice.
Our company is in Shanghai.
Okay.
And in China, we have 54 stores.
Branches, wow.
Yes.
Oh.
Maybe you can see our some shop in Shanghai,
Shanghai.
Beijing,
Oh, wow.
Chengdu,
Wow.
and Chongqing, and everything.
54 branches.
Yeah, online
So
51
these are all made in China?
yes, all made in China.
How much is
All
this?
is our Chinese designers design.
Yeah, all local brand. How much is this one?
This one is $399.
$3.99.
Yes.
Okay.
You want to try?
Go on then. Yeah, I'll try it.
You can try. It's like maybe the two heads.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you can flip it.
Okay.
All right.
This way.
Let's get it. Looks alright, that.
Yeah, it's a green. The color is green. It's very high fashion.
$3.99.
Yeah, $399.
It's the local. Hi, ni hao. I get one of these. You get one of these. Get a nice little bottle of Sprite. Tea. Very nice. Just this and this, please. Nice shop. I think they're waiting for me to pay. I need to open my WeChat thingamajig. Scan that. How much?
全部就4間，跟總共是3間到7間，7。
7. That's paid.
微信收款7元。
So you pay and then a notification comes up. Okay, 谢谢. Bye. We walk together. Got an orange juice from this joint. Restaurant slash cafe. Very butty. Cheers. Shashay. Yeah, the menu is really nice. I mean, grilled sliced Wagyu beef for 15 quid. That is an absolute bargain. The only thing is, it's haram. If the meat was halal, yeah, I most definitely would have eaten it, but it's a shame, really. Maybe in the future they'll add some halal meat to their menu. But yeah, it's a beautiful little cafe slash restaurant. Check the packaging out again, man. Look at that. It just adds to the experience. Lovely. Check this building out. Ah, it's my friend from earlier. Hello. Shisha. Shops are so cool here. Very unique. Buildings are very traditional, preserve their heritage. It's all clothing shops here and the designs are very unique. Every single shop has something else going on about it. Local bin man taking the rubbish out on his electric cart, as you do. Hi, ni hao. Got a nice little coffee shop here. Another one of many on this stretch. Hi, ni hao. Very nice shop. Very nice. You got this geezer here having a photo shoot. People taking pictures in the streets, like that fellow over there. That fella's got a cart full of different uniforms. How the hell do I zoom in on this thing? My goodness, I need to get used to this camera. He's got a cart over there. I don't know if you can see it. Full of different clothes, so he's constantly changing his outfits. Right, so we're done at Dongshankou. We're on our way to one of the malls here. Something with AC would be nice because it's extremely hot. Hi, ni hao. You got these geezers here. They're doing a bit of plumbing. We're here at the Po Park Mall. This is the outside courtyard. As you do, you got a very grand waterfall, because why not? What I love about these taxis is that they don't mess around. They got nice, clean, quality cars. Taxi drivers, not once do they get annoyed at the traffic or anything. Just go with the flow. They're very nice, very friendly, and take you to the correct destination, exactly what's on the map that you've selected. Hi, ni hao. Hello. China, good. Very nice. Very hot. Oh, too hot. Too hot. What? What's mando? Mango. Mango, nice. No. You have, what is it? I don't know what it is. I don't know I'm eating. Okay, I'll take one. Is it rice? Okay. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna give it a go. Like rice pudding, something like that. Shishie! No, one is enough. One is enough. Thank you. Bye. Chinese are awesome.
This price 2,900.
2,900. So 2,900. Oh, hello. 2,000. You test driving it?
You can try it.
Try. 2,900 divided £100. Okay.
Go ahead. Left is green.
This. Okay, let's give it a go.
Go, stop,
Go. Stop. Okay.
and back.
I'm back.
Together is back.
Ooh. Damn. And forward is to go. Here we go. Wow, this is pretty safe. Beep beep. So now it's in scooter mode, and if I want to fold it into cabin luggage, how do I close it? Just click that. Fold.
It open. As close.
Okay.
Yeah. Together.
And then this goes down.
You can let this go. Yeah.
Got some mochi and gelato. Hi. Over here. I've ordered the pistachio one. Shishi. Thank you. Check it out, man. It looks good. Thank you. Bye. That's good, man. Lovely. I'm gonna go for only matcha. Okay. So I'm gonna go for this ice cream with mochi, and it only comes in the matcha flavor. See how they make it. Cheers. Strawberry on the top. Looks just like it does in the picture. Look at that. Lovely.
It's ice cream.
Yes, it is very nice. 谢谢. Thank you. Very nice.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Nice, huh? Thank you. All right, let's give it a go. That's it's an interesting taste. Yeah.